You're not overpacking. You're packing wrong. There's a reason seasoned travelers breeze through airports while the rest of us wrestle with zippers and overweight fees. They've mastered a secret art, knowing exactly what not to bring. And once you see what they've deleted, you might never pack the same again. Number 9. The travel steamer. You packed it with the best intentions. After all, who wants to walk around in wrinkled clothes, especially on vacation or a business trip? But travel steamers are the classic trap item. They sound useful but turn into a suitcase liability. First off, they're bulky. Even the so-called compact ones take up more room than they're worth. Second, they're notorious for leaking, especially with altitude changes. Open your bag in a foreign hotel and find half your wardrobe soaked? That's a fast track to rage packing. And let's not even talk about voltage issues. Many steamers aren't dual voltage, which means abroad you'll either need a converter or risk frying it in the socket. Not ideal at 2 a.m. before your meeting in Paris. Instead, veteran travelers go low-tech, wrinkle-release spray, and the steam from a hot shower. Just hang your clothes in the bathroom while the water runs. In 10 minutes, your clothes look 90% better, and you haven't risked a soggy disaster. Want to avoid wrinkles completely? Choose travel-friendly fabrics. Merino wool, polyester blends, or nylon. You'll never need a steamer again. Number 8. Underwire bras. Underwire bras and travel just don't mix. They dig into your ribs during long flights, get crumpled in your bag, and somehow always take up more space than you think. Ask any frequent flyer. They've switched to seamless options or soft bralettes that are lighter, easier to pack, and way more comfortable on red-eyes or during layovers. They dry quicker after hand washing, don't warp in your bag, and won't set off airport scanners. And the best part? No more awkward bra wire poking out in photos halfway through your trip. This isn't just a space-saving tip, it's a sanity-saving one. Number 7. Full-size toiletry bottles. If you're still packing full-size shampoo bottles, your luggage is working harder than it should. Big bottles are a triple threat. They're heavy, prone to leaks, and often get confiscated if you forget to check your bag. Even if they make it to your destination intact, they hog precious space you could have used for souvenirs or snacks, let's be real. Savvy travelers use 100 ml refillable bottles, solid shampoo bars, or simply rely on hotel freebies. And here's a smart hack. Collect hotel samples and stash them in a small pouch. You'll have a ready-to-go toiletry kit without spending a dime. Don't forget, pressure in airplane cabins can make bottles expand and leak. Always keep liquids in a Ziploc. And when you can, go solid. Think toothpaste tablets, dry deodorant sticks, and even solid cologne. Light, clean, efficient. Just how your suitcase should be. Number 6. Actual books. Books are comforting until they weigh your backpack down like a brick. Sure, flipping pages poolside feels romantic, but most of us end up carrying that same book back home, unread, while cursing its weight halfway through airport security. Physical books, even slim paperbacks, aren't worth the strain when you can carry thousands of titles on a device that fits in your hand. Kindle, Kobo, iPads, or even just your phone with the Libby or Audible app. Offline downloads mean no Wi-Fi required. Plus, e-readers are easier to hold during bumpy rides or crowded buses. They save your neck, your shoulders, and your sanity. Still can't part with paper? Bring just one and swap it with fellow travelers at hostels, cafes, or airport lounges. Travelers are some of the best book traders on the planet. Number 5. The cable jungle. Let's play a game. Open your tech pouch and count how many cords, chargers, and adapters are in there. Now count how many you actually used on your last trip. Most people overpack tech gear like they're prepping for a LAN party in 2003. In reality, you only need the essentials. One universal adapter, one solid charging brick, and a multi-device charging cable that works with your phone, watch, and earbuds. Everything else? It's just extra weight and clutter. Savvy travelers use a compact organizer pouch to store cables neatly and keep things within reach, especially on flights when you need a fast charge mid-air. Bonus points if it fits in your personal item, so you're not rummaging mid-flight while your phone hits 3%. Also, leave that HDMI cable at home. Unless you're planning a business presentation or a gaming marathon on a hotel TV, you won't use it. Keep it light. Keep it tight. Keep your battery full and your bag underweight. Number 4. Hard toiletry cases. At first glance, hard-shell toiletry kits seem like a good idea. They look sleek, keep bottles upright, and feel sturdy. But in the real world, they're a suitcase killer. Why? Because they don't bend. They don't squeeze into corners or compress when space gets tight. If your carry-on's a game of Tetris, that bulky square is the first thing that throws everything off. Experienced travelers go soft, literally. Soft, toiletry pouches made of flexible, waterproof material can be stuffed into corners, squeezed between shoes, or flattened when half empty. Some even use zip-top bags or roll-top pouches. They're lighter, easier to clean, and surprisingly durable. And if there's a spill, the waterproof liner traps it before it ruins your clothes. So ditch the boxy beauty case and switch to something that moves with your bag, not against it. Number 3. Bulky packing cubes and vacuum bags. Wait, aren't packing cubes supposed to help? Yes, but not all cubes are created equal. Some are stiff, rigid, or oddly shaped. And vacuum-sealed bags? Don't even get us started. Sure, they compress clothes like magic, but the moment you need to repack, you'll either be hunting for an outlet or sitting on your bag to zip it shut. Plus, vacuuming all the air out can wrinkle your clothes so badly, even your steamer couldn't save them. Not that you packed it this time. Savvy travelers use ultra-lightweight, flexible packing cubes, or ditch them entirely and just roll their clothes. Rolling saves space, reduces wrinkles, and gives you a quick visual of everything in your bag. If you do use cubes, go for mesh or nylon ones that compress with a zipper but still flex. And leave those vacuum bags for moving house, not traveling the world. Number 2. Too many shoes. Shoes are one of the heaviest, bulkiest things you can pack, and most travelers bring way too many. Think about it. How many pairs do you really wear on a trip? Not plan to wear, actually wear? For most seasoned travelers, the golden rule is this: 3 pairs max. 1 for walking, like comfy sneakers, 1 for dressing up, a sleek, low-profile pair, and 1 light option, sandals or slides for the beach or hostel showers. That's it. Anything beyond that is just weight for your back or a Tetris nightmare for your bag. And keep this in mind, shoes not only take up space, they also get dirty. More shoes mean more chances of mixing muddy soles with clean clothes. Use shower caps or shoe bags to contain them, and stick to multi-purpose pairs whenever possible. Unless you're going hiking in the Andes or attending 5 weddings, leave the heels, boots, and specialty shoes behind. And pro tip: wear your bulkiest pair on the plane to save space in your luggage. Your feet and your shoulders will thank you. Number 1. Heavy jeans. Jeans, reliable, durable, stylish, and, let's be honest, kind of a pain to travel with. Here's the truth. Jeans are heavy, slow to dry, take up loads of space, and are nearly impossible to hand wash in a hotel sink. If they get wet, you're stuck with soggy denim for a day and a half. Not exactly travel-friendly. They also offer little breathability, which can be brutal in humid climates. In places where you'll sweat through your clothes, thick denim will trap heat and become uncomfortable fast. Add in the space they occupy, and you're sacrificing efficiency for fashion. That's why smart travelers swap them out for lighter alternatives: travel joggers, wrinkle-free chinos, or merino wool pants that breathe, stretch, and dry in hours. Some even have hidden pockets, UV protection, or anti-odor tech. Huge pluses on the road. Even leggings or hiking pants offer more comfort on long flights and faster laundry turnarounds. Still want denim in your wardrobe? Go for a lightweight blend or pack a single, dark wash pair that's versatile for both casual days and nicer dinners. But don't treat them like a travel essential, because on the road, comfort and practicality always beat tradition. Bonus tips from pro travelers. Want to take your packing game from decent to next level? These bonus tips from frequent flyers and globetrotters might just change how you travel forever. Plan outfits in advance. Instead of throwing random clothes into your suitcase, build a capsule wardrobe. That means packing versatile pieces that all mix and match. 5 items can create 10 different outfits. No stress, no excess. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Save serious suitcase space by wearing your heaviest shoes, thickest jacket, and bulkiest layers on your travel day. Planes are chilly anyway. Might as well use that hoodie to your advantage. Weigh your bag at home. Airport scales aren't always your friend. Invest in a portable luggage scale and check your weight before you leave the house. No last-minute repacking on the airport floor. Pack for laundry, not for days. A small packet of laundry detergent means you can do a quick sink wash anywhere. This lets you pack half as much without running out of clean clothes. Keep essentials in your carry-on. Always have meds, chargers, and one full change of clothes in your personal bag. If your luggage gets delayed, you'll still survive the first 24 hours, clean, connected, and calm. So how many of these are still hiding in your suitcase? Look, packing smart doesn't mean packing less. It means packing better. If this helped you rethink your packing strategy, go ahead and hit that like button. Got a tip or a travel mistake of your own? Drop it in the comments. We all learn from each other out here. And if you want more no-fluff travel tips like this, hit subscribe so you never miss out. Until next time, may your bags stay light, your flights on time, and your adventures unforgettable.